Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Civil Softwares, where you can learn all the softwares related to civil engineering. If you are new to this channel, so please consider subscribing. So let's get started. Let us learn how to hatch the object in the Autocad. Okay. For example, draw a rectangle of any size, and you have mainly two ways to go to the hatch command. The first way is you have the hatch command here. Press on it and you got so many shades. I will take the solid as example and press in, click on points and select the object where I want to hatch. Now the portion is hatched as solid. Now press escape. For example, I will draw another rectangle. This one is the rectangle and I want to hatch this portion. Now the second way is press hatch in the command line and press enter. Now I want to hatch this shade. Now pick the points. Now select. Here you can change the angle of the shade. You can make it closer. You can make it larger. I mean the scale, not the angle. Here. Now you want to hatch a circle of any size. You want to hatch this portion. The same way, guys. Select shades, pick the points, and press enter. That's it, guys. Now you guys want to shade the multiple boxes. Okay, select, draw rectangles of the same size, or let it vary, doesn't matter. Okay, now select the hatch command and press solid and pick the points, this, and press enter. That's it about the hatch command, guys. If you find this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe, and make sure you press the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Thank you, guys.